We thought we'd show you what you're missing if you would have come down here. Coast clear?
Yeah, you're good. You almost got the truck.
Mommy, can you hold me those dogs?
It's okay, go back up the driveway. Let's watch you do that.
I can't go down the driveway. We don't even need to play hockey.
Go out there with your stick, bud. Let's see how you play hockey.
Daddy, you have to have this. Daddy, you have to have your stick.
I can't get up there.
It's way harder.
Hey, Gator. Gator. Hey, Abigail, look at mommy. Say hi.
I'm good.
Hi. Daddy, I don't know where the hockey ball is.
We don't need a ball, we need a puck.